Hello, first grade. All right, we're gonna play a game. Now, this may be a little hard because this is a game that we would play in school and you would have shape cards and you'd be playing right along with me. So I'm just gonna pretend that I can hear some of you at home, okay? So this is called Guess My Rule. And I have a rule in my head that I have made up, and I'm gonna put shapes that fit my rule into this circle, okay? And when I start to put shapes in this circle that fit my rule, you at home are gonna have to try and guess what rule is in my head, okay? So, are you ready? All right, here we go. Okay, I put 3 shapes into my circle. So look at the shapes. What do you notice about these shapes? What common attributes do these shapes have? Do they have the same number of sides? No, so that couldn't be it. Ooh, do they all have straight lines? So let me ask you, if I wanted to put this shape in my circle, would it fit my rule? No, so I'm gonna leave it outside. Now this one, would this fit my rule? No. How about this one? Yeah. What about this one? Yes. So my rule, what do you think my rule is? Shapes that only have what? Straight sides. Good job. All right, now let's flip over a card. Let's see if this one that I flip over would go inside the circle or outside the circle. If it doesn't fit my rule, we're kicking it out of the circle because that's a good clue, right? Would it go in or out? In. Good. In. Say this one with me. Ready? In. Good job. And the last one? It's staying out. It's getting kicked out of my circle, right? It doesn't fit the rule. So, let's try one more time with a new rule. Are you ready? Let's refresh my page. Okay. Let's do another one. Ready? Okay. Those are my shapes that fit my rule. Are you thinking at home? Let's flip over a card. Doesn't fit my rule. Doesn't fit my rule. Doesn't fit my rule. Doesn't fit my rule. Doesn't fit. Oh my goodness. Ooh, this one does. Can you guess what my rule is? That doesn't fit. That doesn't fit. That doesn't fit. That one fits. So I flipped over all of my cards. So help me at home. What do you think my rule is? Only shapes with what? Curved sides go in my circle. Good job at home. All right, so guess my rule. You guys guessed my rules? You did an awesome job. See you first grade.